Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that you can implement right after watching this video. So as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from anyone else, firstly test that strategy in the demo account, and if it is working for you in the demo account, then only trade in real account. So now if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash this like button. Now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, select the time frame 5 seconds. So if you are not seeing this as 5 at here, then just click on this clock. Okay, if it is flagged, then make it clock, and then you will be able to see this as 5. And if you are not seeing this as 5, okay, that means that currency pair is not allowing you to trade on the 5-second time frame. Now second thing you need to do is go to these candles and then go to here and then select as 5. So this will make your candle 5 seconds. Now this strategy is a little bit risky, okay, a little bit risky. So for example, what happened was when I was just starting out trading binary options, at that time I used to trade on 1 minute time frame, and I used to trade on this Euro USD, and at that time I made like $3,000 profit with just $100 investment. Okay, it was an extremely high risk trade, but it was worth it while I was trading. I was accidentally trading at that time. Okay, so for example, as you can see here, candles is forming. Okay, it is going up. Okay, and what I used to do is, so I used to have $100. Now I splitted that into two, like $50 and another $50. Okay, so now I used to invest $50 by clicking on higher. Okay, whenever I see a uptrend in Euro USD, okay, only in currency pair Euro USD, this works extremely well. So I used to invest $50, and once I made a profit. For example, I made a profit that would be $92. I would invest that total amount. I would half that total amount. For example, if I would have $92 plus $52, whatever the amount total was, okay, then I would split into two part and again invest it. Okay, in that way I could keep on investing. Okay, like for 5 to 7 times I used to get trade right. Now generally in Euro USD, if you test it in demo account, okay, don't directly comment below like it will not work or something like that. Okay, firstly test this in the demo account. So whenever the market is going up, okay, in this way, so let's say market is going up and down, that kind of market, just watch that kind of pattern. Okay, and then whenever it start to go up, then start to make trade on the demo account, and you'll see you'll have a multiple right trade at that time. Okay, so as you can see, for example, at here, okay, I could invest $50 and most probably I could get right in this trade. Okay, so however I didn't get right, so let's make another trade from here and let's see. Okay, so I didn't make it has started to fall down. Okay, but this strategy work. Okay, you can test in the demo account properly whenever it has started to go up. So for example, if it starts to go up, at that time you can simply click on higher and test this strategy. Yes, it is a little bit risky, but it is worth it. If you see all of the previous charts, so whenever it is going upward, most of the time you will find that this kind of trend, you will find that all maximum candles are going to become green like this. Okay, and that will make your trade right. If you see all the past candles, then you can find out that. So this was for today's video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.